Okay, guess what time it is? It's unboxing time. Parallel printer attachment. Easy to install. Yeah, because it just plugs into the computer. Side of system unit. Oh, okay. So this is a sidecar. The famous expansion system for this strange computer. No 8-bit ISA cards here. Just sidecar. I've got enough of these to make a PCjr 5 feet wide. This one might have gotten some water damage. It looks a little warped. Let's hope the attachment actually works. There's the book. Might actually need this to install it. There's probably jumpers or something on this card. That appears to be rust. I think this got wet. Let's hope it still works. This is actually a slow parallel port. I believe there's a modification we can do to make this a fast one, which might be something to do once we get the computer all set up. But there you have it, a parallel printer attachment. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm putting up more videos all the time.